If you're planning to study machine learning and data science, you might have asked yourself, why should I study machine learning? I have three big reasons for you as to why you should study. First is that it's super fun. You could use machine learning and data science to predict and analyze any type of data. So it's used everywhere. Second reason is that it's really easy. If you're coming at it from a coding background, the coding is way easier than software engineering. So it's not super difficult coding. And if you're coming from it from a math perspective, well, it really requires the basics of high school math as well as the basics of some linear algebra and calculus. When I say basics here, I don't mean taking the entire calculus course, taking the entire linear algebra course. I'm talking like the first month of each course. You don't need all the extra details at the end. Just like the high level basics of calculus and linear algebra, and you're good to go. You don't need the details. So the math is not difficult either. It's much easier than engineering math that you have to do if you're doing other types of engineering. And thirdly, it affects everything. Every field you can think of is using data science and machine learning. And to show that, let's play a little game where I'm gonna go search AI for blank. So this game is called AI for blank, like a blank line. And I'm gonna go on Google and search AI for just random topics. I've not done this before. So let's see, AI for music. Look, music AIs are neural networks that are really large sets of bits of computers that try to mimic how the brain works. AI is about to shake up music forever. How AI is helping musicians unlock their creativity. There's a lot of AI for music. So that's maybe a combination you might not have thought of, but there's increasingly more applications. AI composing emotional soundtrack music. Let's see, AI for, you could put in any scientific field, so AI for biology is a giant research field. There's all types of AI you can do in deep learning for biology. It's a lot of professors at universities are studying this in various contexts. Let's see, AI for astronomy, if you're interested in astronomy, but also AI, how AI is driving innovation in astronomy. What else? AI for education. It's even being used in classrooms. What about for finance? AI is used in finance. What else? I wish this was a live video so I can get more requests. But the point here is that you could basically search AI for and then insert any field you want. I just thought of one. Literature. Let's say AI for Russian literature. I have no idea if this is going to return something. Famous Russian phrases auto-completed by artificial intelligence. Young Vienna in Russian literature. Well, I guess that's not AI. But AI and humanities, language, literature, and ethics. So even something like English literature or any language literature, there is AI being used for different purposes. So whatever your interests are, there's a big chance that AI and data science and machine learning can help move that field forward and do some cool things in that field at least. So AI is very applicable. It's not going away. And so the world is yours if you learn machine learning and data science. So if this interests you and you're excited to go on this ML journey with us, then go ahead and go to MLPro.io, where you'll have a bunch of practice problems as well as corresponding videos that we'll post on this channel to explain any concepts that you might not be familiar with. So I'm looking forward to going on this educational and career advancing journey with you. Bye.